Alrighty guys, in case you didn't know, little update out here in the garage. Wife took the car to work today. The motorcycle is not there. It's had to have an adjustment. It's at the dealership. The update is on my truck. Yep. The truck is no more. I traded it for the GMC Yukon Denali XL. It's the long version, and it's long. We did trade it a couple days ago. You gotta love the front grille on this. This is the 2021, just came out. Not a big fan of black, but it'll be okay. But we're planning on going up to Virginia to the shindig that's going on up there with Mr. G and them. And I use this to pull my trailer and my motorcycle. Should do it pretty good. But that's the update. The 2500 is gone. This is Frosty. Thanks for watching.